Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Institute of Science and Technology. In this tutorial, we will go through Primavera interface, and you can download and install Primavera P6 using various methods available on YouTube. And after downloading and installation, you will see this type of interface. In this tutorial, we will discuss the interface of Primavera P6. First of all, there are some dummy projects, and we will discuss the theoretical aspects which we discussed in our previous tutorial, and we will practically see all of them in these projects. There are some projects related to engineering and constructions, energy services, manufacturing, and product development. These are dummy projects and only shows the required and basics about project management. Now we will open any project, and I am going to open a project related to engineering and construction, which is Nesbit building expansion. Right click on Nesbit expansion and then open project. Now the project is opened, and we will see its WBS's design and engineering foundation, and we will see its activities. There is a block showing activity ID. Next is activity name, original duration, remaining duration, schedule complete, start, finish, and total float. First of all, we will discuss its resources, that what is the equipment and manpower we required to complete our project. In resources, we need elevator installer, electricians, floor and carpet layer, operator, plumber, finish carpenter. It means that it includes all the equipment and labor requirements. The next is reports. We will find reports of the activities and project plans in this section. Next, there is option of tracking. And this shows spending plans and activities, WBS's code. It means that it shows a summary of whole project elements. The next is activities. In activities, we found all the activities to complete the project. First of all, in design and engineering, we will design, start office building addition, review and approve designs. It includes all the actions to complete our project. And the next is WBS work breakdown structure. As we discussed earlier, work breakdown structure is a process to divide the complete project into smaller parts on the basis of nature of work, so that it can be performed in a better way. In WBS, there are WBS codes and WBS names and durations, start and finish date. First, in engineering and construction, there is design and engineering, then foundation, structure. Next is mechanical work. We can see that construction and mechanical work are two different parts of our project which are different in nature. The first part is related to civil engineering and the next is related to mechanical and electrical engineering. So we divided into two separate WBSs. In mechanical, we have mechanical elevator, mechanical HVAC, and plumbing and electrical work. And the last is finishing work, exterior finishes, bricks, roofs, doors and windows finishing. We can see the starts and end date of our WBSs and duration. For example, there is a WBS which is starting from 1st July 2011 and its end date is 26 October 2011, and it is about a project. It is about a WBS consists of 1, 2, 3 and 4 months. Its duration is about 4 months, and the next is starting on 22 September 2011 up to 24 February 2012, and its duration is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 months. The WBSs are arranged according to the nature of work, and the next thing we are going to discuss is resource assignment. Resource assignment means that what type of task will be performed by which persons and on which days. The activity we are going to discuss is to pour concrete footing, and work will start from Monday and remain till Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be off, and we can see that the blocks on Saturday and Sunday are darker than the working days. The next to relocate HVAC chiller, and we can see the same sequence and same manner of working days in the second activity. The next is WBS and documents include design, OSHA regulations, documentations related to health and safety, machinery documentation, design documentations, and the next is resource assignment as we discussed, and next is expenses. Expenses consist of what are the cost of each activity WBS or each part of work. For example, piping material, and its WBS code is EC00530 and related to mechanical engineering, and cost count and vendor is not shown because it is a dummy project and there is no need to show cost and vendor. The next is risks, and the risks table is empty because we are discussing a dummy project, and normally it does not require a risk to be shown here. There is a bar showing details and columns, filters, visualizer, schedules, level resources and all other options. The next is view. We can view all the data in columns, table font and rows. Next is project, and these in projects we can see the detail of our working manner. For example, we will discuss the manner to complete our project. For example, we will go through activities, we will assign resources, we will divide our work into according to work breakdown structure, assign baselines. Baseline is normally a an ideal line which we have to follow to complete our project, and then we need to maintain baseline according to completing conditions, and after that we will calculate expenses, we will go through documents, thresholds, issues and risks regarding our project. The next is enterprise. In enterprises we will see the project and open project by our company, EPS structure, tracking, project portfolios, resources, roles of persons, OBS, object breakdown structure, resource codes, project codes, activity codes, and all other aspects. Next is tools. In tools, we will schedule our project, level the resources, apply actuals, summarize our project, and monitor thresholds, report, publish, and many other things. The next is admin, and in this we will set currencies, financial periods, admin preferences, that who will be the admin and what are the administration roles. This was a brief introduction to Primavera P6, and in our next tutorial we will start our first exercise, and we will enter EPS, and then we'll go through OBS and WBSs, and we will create a project in our next tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you are new visitor on our channel, then please subscribe and press bell icon so that you can receive notification of our incoming tutorials.